Hey, this is welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool underline here, and basically what this is a carbon fiber case that you can use for a Zippo lighter. If you see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me just open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. First thing inside, they do probably got a little envelope, and inside the envelope, they do probably got a sample of the carbon fiber material that they use on here. So that way you can view the material that's on the actual product when you guys do get it. And right underneath that, eventually we do have the product, so take it out. So once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. And you see the material that's on here definitely looks like a high quality material since it is carbon fiber. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it does feel very soft and very smooth. But I do like that carbon fiber design a lot. But I'm actually turn it around to show you guys a 360 point of view of the product. Alright, and if you guys do open it, that is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys don't have a Zippo lighter, then you probably want to get one in order to use it. But right here, if you see, I do have a Zippo lighter. And basically how the product works, you guys want to take out the inner layer to put it on here. So let me show you guys what I mean. So let's open it up. And once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So you basically want to take this part out. Once you guys take this part out, you guys want to put it inside right here. Once you guys put it inside, this is what the product looks like. So obviously, if it's your first time using the lighter, you do need to add the fuel inside. So you probably want to get one of these to add it inside. And the way how you guys add it inside is not hard. You basically want to lift up the bottom part and add the fuel inside right here. When you guys do add it inside, you don't want to overfill. Just add enough for how much you guys need. And then once you have it done, you can close it back up and put it back inside. So for the one that I have right here, it's all set up. So if you guys do give it a try, if you see how well the product works, if you guys close it back up, if you guys open that up, if you see the product definitely does work. Let's try it one more time. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. So another way for you guys to extinguish the fire is by blowing out. So just like this. If you can see. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. And the cool thing about using this carbon fiber case is the fact that it's much lighter than your typical case. Like when you guys compare the weight of this one versus this one, the stainless steel one is actually much more heavier, whereas for this one it feels so much lighter. And they mentioned the material that's on the actual product here, it is heat resistant, dirt resistant, and it's actually very durable. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. If you see, it definitely looks pretty nice and it does work. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality carbon fiber case that can use for a Zippo lighter, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.